Hello students, today we are going to continue our class with the other problems of trigonometric ratios. The next problem is we are going to do this one. If alpha comma beta are complementary angles, alpha comma beta are complementary angles, and A sin alpha equal B sin alpha equal to A. Okay, then prove that, then find the value of, sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Understand? Solution. Here question is, if alpha beta are complementary angles and B sin alpha equal to A, then find the value of sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Understand? Now, since alpha beta are complementary angles, alpha beta are complementary angles, then alpha plus beta equal to 90 degrees. Then beta can be written as 90 degrees minus alpha. Okay, or alpha can be written as 90 degrees minus beta. And also what is given? And given B sin alpha equal to A, sin alpha equal to A by B. This is given. This is given as sin alpha equal to A by B. Now consider sin alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta value. This is sin alpha. Beta can be written as 90 minus alpha. Okay, minus cos alpha. Beta can be written as 90 degrees minus alpha. Now sin alpha cos 90 minus alpha, cos alpha, minus cos alpha sin 90 minus alpha, cos alpha only. Understand? Cos 90 minus alpha sin alpha, sin 90 minus alpha cos alpha. What will come here? Sin square alpha minus cos square alpha, but we know sin alpha value only. That's why this can be converted in terms of sin. Now sin square alpha, open the bracket, minus 1 plus sin square alpha. What will come here? How many sin square alphas? 2 sin square alpha minus 1. What is sin alpha value? A by B. Put here A by B whole square minus 1. Okay. Now this can be taken as 2a square by b square minus 1 is 1 by 1. What is LCM here? B square. 2a square minus b square by b square. This is our required value. Next, we are going to do another question as like this. The next question is, okay, prove that question 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by, okay, 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square, cos theta whole square equals to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, what is our question? Prove that 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, we are going to prove it. Understand? LHS. Take LHS. 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square by 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Okay, this can be taken as, actually listen one thing, directly we can expand it by a plus b plus c whole square formula, or otherwise we can take a plus as like this also. This is can be written as 1 plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square, or otherwise required 1 minus cos 1 plus cos, that's why it can be taken as 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta whole square by, okay, 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta whole square. We can write like this also. Rearrange the terms for our convenience. We are going to prove 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. Okay. Now listen one thing. We have to, okay, here we have to do like this, expand it by a minus b, a square plus b, a plus b whole square form, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Understand? This can be taken as like this, a square plus b square 2ab plus 2 into 1 minus cos theta into sin theta. Understand? Now denominator can be taken as 1 plus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta plus 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. We can take like this. Now our convenience, this can be taken as like this. Understand? This can be that is 1 minus cos theta whole square plus sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta, okay, plus 2 into 1 minus cos theta into sin theta all by 1 plus cos theta whole square. Again sin square theta is there, written as 1 minus cos square theta plus 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. Listen one thing, here 1 has no square, we can write square. The term can be in the form of a square minus b square. We can write a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b. Cos theta whole square, this is a minus b into a plus b, okay, plus 2 into 1 minus cos theta into sin theta. Denominator can be written as 1 plus cos theta whole square plus, this is in the form of a square minus b square, 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta plus 2 into 1 plus cos theta into sin theta. What is get common in numerator? 1 minus cos theta get common. What are remaining? Whole square means another 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta taken common, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta taken common, 2 sin theta. All by, in denominator 1 plus cos theta get common, 1 plus cos theta get common. Remaining one more 1 plus cos theta will come, 1 plus cos theta taken common, remaining 1 minus cos theta, here 1 plus cos theta taken common, 2 sin theta, cos theta get cancelled, here also cos theta get cancelled, remaining 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta into, in numerator here, okay, as like this, in numerator 2 plus 2 sin theta came, in denominator 2 plus 2 sin theta came here, 2 plus 2 sin theta, 2 plus 2 sin theta same value get cancelled, remaining 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Understand? Okay? So listen. We are going to see one more question as like this. Okay? The next question is here. Eliminate theta from the equations. Okay? Eliminate theta from the equations. Eliminate theta from x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to a sin cube theta. y equal to a sin cube theta. Okay, we are going to eliminate at like this here. Now consider x equal to a cos cube theta. This can be x by a cos cube theta equal to x by a. Okay, cos theta equal to x by a power 3 transpose to right side, take 1 by 3. Next, and y equal to a sin cube theta. Sin cube theta equal to how much? Y by a. Okay, so sin theta equal to that 3 power 3 transpose to right side, take 1 by 3. We have a relation between sin and cos. What is it? What is that relation? Cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. We have cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So, you know cos value x by a power 1 by 3 whole square. Sin value y by a power 1 by 3 whole square equal to 1. Therefore, our required equation is x by a power 2 by 3 plus y by a power 2 by 3 equal to 1. This is eliminated theta equation. Understand? We should do remaining in the next class.